Sorry, we end this. Why did you not scream back? You supposed. Hey, why did you do that?
I think I launched it. Okay.
And
So, wag dito, wag dyan.
sorry. Anyway, this is where I ended because
You failed.
I misclick. I supposed to click this. I clicked the red one.
Up. There's no up. So there's no here. Not here. No, not here. So
oh wait.
the other one. This is so freaking scary. Yeah.
Finally daylight.
Look, that is so beautiful.
Yo.
You're gonna fall. No.
Wait.
No.
Wait.
No.
Are we supposed to do here? Wait.
No.
Is this?
This is more creepy.
Oh my god. Oh.
What is a bed?
I can just go here. Huh?
It's so freaking
Sorry guys.
I'm gonna dead here.
You're gonna die?
Okay. No, thanks.
Wait, where are we gonna go? Wait.
Just jump off my body.
I think she's lying.
My soul just jump off my body.
There. What's this? The
Look
cloud
at the moon.
marker.
Look at the moon.
I can't pronounce. I'm bother reading. Why there's so many lights?
So oh.
Wait, where are you?
Yeah.
Oh, there you are. I thought that you were the girl. Yo.
So creepy. You see, I look all around. Look.
Hey, yo. Wait, why so foggy? It's not too foggy,
Look
but
at this.
so many clouds. I think this is clouds. Yo, they're so beautiful. Come on. You're so slow.
Yes!
Finally.
Yay, it's 9 p.m. already.
Wait. Stop. Just wait, guys. You hear that?
Yes. But
What's that? Is that that's so noisy, yeah.
vehicles!
What's that? Oh, vehicles.
What is yeah?
Wait, let me see. I need anything. I think I need water. Yeah, I need water. Is there water here?
I already have water. Let's go. I want to.
There, I'm 100. I want a vehicle too. I can take this.
Yes, one here.
Nah, I can't. Oh, what's this?
Here. Hey, Lucia, look. I mean a vehicle.
Hey, yo.
Lucia, look.
What's this? Ooh, nice
Let's
photos.
go.
Wait, I don't need the energy. Oh, water. I need water. Hey, yo. Wait, I need to sleep.
You're so slow.
No, I need to sleep. Nah, I think not.
You're so slowly.
Oh, yay, I can spawn. Oh, is that you? Oh, there you. Okay. Wait, oopsie.
Let's go.
Yay! Oh my god, this is so fast. Let's go. Why not? Oh my god. Hey, come on! You're so slow there.
I'm trying my best. It's so hard to drive.
Yeah. Oh my god. I thought I gonna fall.
I can't see anything. This is so hard.
Yeah. Oh wait, what's this? Warning. Hey, stop, bro. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm gonna fall. I'm gonna fall. Wait. I appear the vehicle has rolled over. Do you want to reset back to the vehicle fund? Wait, guys, I'm gonna reset just a sec. Hi guys, we're back. So it's daylight now. We fall 2 times.
Storm.
And there's a storm. So this is gonna be extremely hard for us.
Break.
Oh no.
That's where I fall. No, see, I don't think. Not there. Not there. Here.
Maria, bro. I don't want to fall again. So it's just so hard.
The sound.
Oh my god, I'm going. Oh my god.
No.
Nope. Oh my god. I fall again. Not. I'm just gonna walk.
You can't walk. Can you drive?
No. Wait, guys. Just wait. We're gonna back us again. Oh my god.
No.
It's finally back.
Yeah.
I fall there and just explore. That was a bad idea.
Yeah, so bad.
We're just gonna be back again. Oh!
And you fell.
Oh my god.
You're gonna reset again.
Ah,
Only 2 minutes.
again. And I'm not gonna pause because if you want to see,
Where's my phone?
wait,
I need to find my phone.
Maria is AFK there. She's finding her phone in real life.
Wallet.
Okay, she's found it.
There's no electricity
And
today.
just what I said, ignore my brother
Yeah.
playing Mobile Legends. If you again, oh my god. Oh wait, I think I'm gonna
No.
pause again, guys. So
Wait for me.
we just want to like go, and there she is. She was AFK, so we need to go.
I can see.
And this is Rose Ice Shelf.
I hate my mouse.
Antarctica largest ice shelf. Wait, what? Wait, is that penguins? Oh my god, it's
There's
penguins.
penguins,
If you
there's
see, that's
There's penguins.
don't. I think that's dangerous. I don't think
No, I
so.
want to see the penguins.
They're so cute.
So cute.
I think they're attack. Wait, they're not attack.
They're not attacking. Look.
Guys, research if penguins
We forgot
attack.
to say what.
No, she's moving my
Wait,
vehicle.
Wait, we forgot to say what game is this.
Wait, guys, if you want to
No,
if you want to play this, I gonna
well, you're gonna post it on YouTube or TikTok.
I'm gonna go with the caption. I can't explain, so I'm so bad at English. I'm so bad. I'm gonna oh no, again.
No.
Wait guys, sorry. I'm bad at English so much.
What's this thing?
I don't really know. I don't want to hear that. That's scary.
My soul
Oh my god, I need
my
water.
soul just left my body. SSA?
My what? Wait, I can hit with 6, 7. There, if you can see, it's priority 76, my water 86, and 90. Not, I'm gonna stop at 96.
There's so 7 lights.
Who wants to walk? I don't want to walk.
Here, look, here.
I think we're gonna go straight. Because if you play this, please
It's so scary.
show us.
It's so scary, bro.
This is not scary. It's so cold.
It's west, south. We're going to southwest. Where are you?
Guys, please don't jump.
Are you? I can find you.
Wait, am I going the?
You're going to the room.
I can't even.
I hate that sound.
If the storm just stop, I can do this. Wait, guys. I think I lost.
You lost me.
I lost
You
Maria.
lost me.
Yeah, I lost her.
Oh, I wish there's no map.
I don't
We're
even.
227 meters above 49.
I think I'm gonna go here.
And there's a
We don't
storm.
even know. Wait, guys. If I'm gonna stop, so the storm just stop. Oh my God! Finally. So the fog is out, and we're gonna explore.
What's this thing?
First, I can't pronounce. I think that's cave.
Can you go?
Are we gonna like jump? If we jump, then it's gonna be the end of the video, cause we need to sleep. Wait, I think we're gonna jump. Oh yes, we're gonna jump. Okay. Oh, I'm
there's
so
I
proud.
only have, oh my god, the bubbles.
The bubbles. Anyway, Maria is apparently in the Philippines. She's stuck Philippines too much, bro.
I'm in the water.
I keep telling her to speak English, but she's literally can't. So we need to be faster. Wait, can I even? How?
Follow the lines.
Wait, how do I? Guys, sorry, cause it's apparently raining. It's raining outside in real life. That's why it's so noisy.
Stop, I can go. Is that sharks?
That's not sharks.
Where are we?
Just follow the lines.
Oh, it's in the lines. I don't have many greens.
Oh my God, we need to be apparently so fast here.
Need to be fast.
Sorry if we
bubbles.
wait.
I don't have many air bubbles.
Okay.
I really don't have many.
The rain is so heavy, bro.
I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die.
No, we're not gonna die. There's
Yes.
it's accident now. Finally, that was so.
Now we need to
That
walk.
was so long. Yes, finally.
Yay!
Wait, is that? Wait, finally. Okay, guys. This is gonna be the end of the video. Just wait.
We're gonna put part.
Like and subscribe for more videos. Bye, guys.
Wait, guys. I'm gonna do a TikTok channel and
My sister's
I'm gonna do a TikTok channel with us doing all of this.
Yeah, we're gonna do a TikTok channel. My name is Milo. And his name, hey, what's your name?
Alexa.
Just forgot her name.
Alexa TikTok channel. Yeah.
Just forgot, so
I'm gonna have to go to
subscribe. Please subscribe.
Wait. My TikTok
We want to
channel.
hit 10,000 subscribers.
Never be.
Please subscribe.
Wait, this is my TikTok channel.
Wait, guys.
Maria.
Wait. Okay.
Okay, my name is Maria Alexa Cruz.
His name is Maria Alexa Cruz.
GMA.
GMA. Finally the rain. Anyway, please subscribe. We want to hit 10,000 subscribers, please. And follow for more videos. Look at this. Please subscribe. Don't. Okay, bye.